This is the final check before the mirror's packed away and is off to Toyota.
10 years ago, Toyota began working with Schefnacker to improve its production process. John Riley came on board to set up the mirror production area for the new Camry.
A couple of things I'd like to look at is, one, just the standardised work that goes between each of the operators, but of course of critical importance is from a quality viewpoint.
Sure. Well, there's quite a few little poke yokes built into this, both from a design level, assembly level, and there's a few electronic poke yokes.
Yep. Thanks to Toyota, poke yoke has improved the Schefnacker production line with simple visual mechanisms that make mistakes virtually impossible by the manufacturing operators.
Obviously, it's critical that this is wired the right way.
That's correct.
If it's not, when you press the mirror up, it will go the other way. So we've got different size apertures in the connectors. So, for example, that clips in there and that clips in there. It won't go the other way around because physically that aperture is too small to go over that
allowed
spigot.
over that post, yep. Which is a great example because it doesn't cost you any extra to do that.
That's
it's not
right.
an additional function, you just can't do it the wrong way.
And you don't want to spend thousands of dollars designing equipment to detect it when it can be designed out through product design.
So I understand you're running a Kanban system, obviously been running it for some time.
Yeah, well, the Kanban system is pretty much in place.
Kanban, another of Toyota's initiatives, is a visual production control system done with cards and colours that shows the flow of work through the factory at a glance.
As you can see with the new model Toyota vehicle, we're in the final design stages, so this is why these particular parts are on hold. Yep. But the Kanban planning is all in place, ready to go.
And you'll run the identical system to what you're running for our current production, which is we're in the green, we're okay. We're moving into the yellow zone is when we actually trigger, and anything in the red would suggest that's our safety stock being consumed.
Exactly.